the break of dawn. Built by hands that knew the land, steel and grit in every plan. When the big four-wheel drives hit the field, everything about the game was changed. Horsepower built for working hard, a legend earned its name. Through dust and rain, through years gone by, you can still hear that diesel cry. Built to pull, built to last, never looking back, always built for the task. From Manitoba across these fields, you can bet on what a versatile feels. Built to pull, built with pride, standing strong through every changing tide. Different colors, same strong soul, that's the way the versatile rolls. Big Roy proved what power meant, turning heads everywhere he went. Owners changing, times moved on, but the heart kept beating strong. Generation after generation, farmers trusted what they knew. When the work was waiting in the field, versatile would see it through. No shortcuts, no excuses, just honest power every season. From seeding time to harvest moon, there's always another field to do. Built to pull, built to last, to carrying on from the Prairie past. From Manitoba to fields worldwide, hard work never goes out of style. Built to pull, built with pride, that's the name that stood the test of time. Here's to the ones who built it all. Long live versatile. Steel sweat, prairie skies, built to pull for a lifetime. Back in 63, two farm boys had a different dream. Building tough where the red runs wide, steel and sweat were their source of pride. Then 66 changed everything, articulated power hit the fields. The Dion Hunter led the charge, changing farming one field at a time. Built to pull, built to last, never worried about looking fast. When the work got heavy, they were born for that. Versatile, red, yellow, black across the prairie sky. From the smallest field to the great divide, still earning every farmer's pride. Through every mile, every season, every sacrifice, the badge may change, but the heart survives. That's the spirit of versatile. Big Roy showed the world what power could be, a prairie giant for all to see. Through changing owners and changing names, the tractor stayed true just the same. Ford and New Holland came and went, history turned but the roots stayed set. Back in Winnipeg they're building steel, for the folks who know a hard day's pull. No fancy promises, no polished show, just honest horsepower built to go. One day life breaks and the work won't wait, you count on iron that won't hesitate. Versatile, still rolling strong beneath these prairie skies. From 1966 until today, still build the Canadian way. One more mile, one more season, one more sunrise. Legends aren't born, they're worked to life. Long live versatile. builders the dream, to every harvest and every team, from Manitoba to fields worldwide.